Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Reactions are mixed, and there are mixed reactions to the delay in reopening the cruise shipping pier in Ocho Rios. As you'll hear in this report, some businesses are counting their losses.
The bustling tourism town of Ocho Rios is grappling with mounting frustration and economic losses as the cruise ship pier remains out of service since February of this year, leaving stakeholders in a state of disarray. For Jota tour drivers, small business owners, and operators of attractions like Mystic Mountain, the ongoing shutdown of the pier has spelled disaster during a critical tourism season.
What is the plan for Ocho Rios? Come the 31st of March, we have to renew our road license. We have to find money to take care of our family, where it's coming from. We have no tourism in Ocho Rios at this time.
From an attraction operator's point of view, our business is probably down 40%. The first active word is how unlucky and unfortunate Ocho Rios has been to have it damaged in the first place, which was a freak accident. But it's 10 months, not 8 months. Things that are government controlled, no matter which government is in power, take a lot of time.
It is estimated by those who are in possession of the figures that the loss to the Ocho Rios and its environs, the community, has lost from February 7th to the end of October, close to $12 million US.
Adding to the tensions, there appears to be a divide between those in the know and the everyday operators bearing the brunt of the impact.
From February until now, 8 months, and nobody come and address us. They don't care about us. Minister Ed Bartley and also my Honorable Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, please address Ocho Rios cruise ship pier and get it back on track as quick as possible.
Professor Shirley and his team from Port Authority so ably have facilitated, I think it's every month. I think the only time we didn't have one was in August because, but we had one in September and we're scheduled to have another one in October. And they really update us. They're not hiding anything from us. And the timeline really is, they've tried everything to get it up and running before that, but the timeline for completion, as we have been told in the meetings, is June 2025.
In the interim, all the vessels which have been scheduled to make calls on Ocho Rios have been redirected to the Reynolds Pier, which is also in Senan, and others to Falmouth. But there still lies a major problem.
MSC lines that normally bring over 5,000 passengers tried to dock and did dock once at the Reynolds Pier. Unfortunately, they did not like the experience and have not returned.
Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.
The Jamaican dollar improved in value compared to the U.S. currency after it resumed trading this morning at $158.50 to $1. At the close of foreign exchange trading today, banks and cambios were selling the American dollar for an average $158.27. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $112.45. $199.83 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $164.16. To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 2,864 points today, while the junior market index declined by 38 points. Among the 43 winners, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, Elite Diagnostic, Epley 7.75% preference shares, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares. The 54 losers include Jetcon Corporation, Pulse Investments, Cargo Handlers, Consolidated Bakeries, and Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. 17 stocks traded firm. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.